Hi, my dear children, good morning. Welcome to our social science class. Are you ready for today's class? Okay. So, today let us revise the previous class topic climate. Children, what is climate? Do you know? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Okay. Climate also affects our way of life. It influences our clothing, housing, transportation, and the food we eat. For example, European countries have a cold climate. Okay. Some countries have hot climate. Understand? What is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. But climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Long period of time. Understand? Weather affects us in many ways. It may change from day to day. Okay, it may change from day to day. For example, we choose our clothes according to the weather. So, weather also affects our daily activities. Understand? Summer season, rainy season, winter season are the major seasons in India. First, summer season. Summer season in India starts from April to mid-June. April to mid-June. The sun is hottest at noon. Hot, dry winds called Lu and dust storms in the northern plains. Sometimes these places experience strong winds and hailstorms during summer. Please look at the picture. Hailstorms, strong winds. Okay. In the hill stations like Munnar, Ooty, Shimla, etc., even during summer, it is cool. It is cool and pleasant. Okay. Rainy season. Rainy season in India begins in the middle of June. In the middle of June to mid-September. Okay. By mid-July, the whole country experience heavy rainfall. Okay. Heavy rainfall. In India, where agriculture is the main occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation. Sometimes it rains so heavily that there are floods. Okay. Haven't seen flood. Okay, please look at the picture. Flood. Winter season. Winter season starts from November to February. Heavy snowfall occurs in the Himalayas. In Himalayan region occurs heavy snowfall. Okay. In the desert regions, the days are pleasant at this time, but the nights are very cold. Okay, dear children, listen. In the desert area, the days are pleasant at this time, but the nights are very cold. Okay. In southern parts of India were not very cold. In southern parts of India are not very cold. Okay. So today we will wind up the class. Okay. Thank you.